How to make Escovitch fish, one of my favorite dishes, starting out with fresh red snapper. If the eyes are clear, that's an indication that the fish is fresh. The first thing you want to do is trim the tails. Next, you want to thoroughly clean your fish with cold water. Adding a little vinegar to the water and a little lime helps to brighten the flavor of your fish. Drain your fish well, then pat dry with paper towel. Now score your fish on both sides. Be sure to sanitize. Now generously season your fish with black pepper and your Caribbean fish seasoning. Be sure to get those spices in the slits because it's going to add a lot of flavor to your fish. Adding about a quarter teaspoon of sweet paprika helps to achieve that golden brown color when frying. Now place your fish in a Ziploc bag and marinate for 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. For best results, marinate overnight. Add to your frying pan approximately 1½ cups of oil. Now this is optional, but you can add a Scotch bonnet pepper to add more flavor. Turn your fish after approximately 15 minutes. Or until one side is nice and golden. Top with your pre-made pickled pepper sauce. And there you have it, Escovitch Fish. I had someone ask me, I watch your videos and everything looks good, but does it taste good? Of course it tastes good. Do you see all the fresh ingredients I use? Oh my goodness. It is so good. It has the crispy skin. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. And I had to learn this the hard way, but the key to frying the perfect snapper is the oil has to be super hot. If it's not hot enough, your chicken is going, I'm sorry, not your chicken. We're not doing chicken today. Your fish is going to stick to the pot. Not only that, it's gonna break up. I had that oil heating up for at least 25 minutes. And it was smoking. So that's the key. Hot, hot, hot oil. Stay tuned on how to make the Jamaican pickled pepper sauce, okay? Because you can't have Escovitch fish without the sauce. Thank you for watching. This is Trippin' with AJ Moore. Please subscribe to my channel with that little red button right down. See that red button right down there? Yes, just click on it. Thank you, and I hope you come back. Bye-bye.